Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Banta kasni umentu rangba ka jila Meghalaya u Conrad ki sangma ulale jingo ekashnong paham jula ka bahab hajirang constituency jongkali bhoi. Ulale dru ban visit shanong spung e kashnong ka bahab apo jirang hari bhoi. La jurep yekanong spung e garo LP school kabla jat rathai. Ka school balaseng hakasnem shihaja khandai spa nyopun riu ka school LP kala sakut hakajing sha e no ben Chief Minister ulale jingo e gani ka school ring card baru MLE usos tene sotun mar ula penti kana ban kentiu kedan ya ka school
We are here in Jirang area in Nongspung A village. And this is part of my tour today of Jirang area along with our Honorable MLA. And we're visiting some of the areas and schools and villages just to meet the people and to understand different challenges that they're facing. Here in Nongspung A village, as you can see behind me, there is a LP school and an SSA UP school. And a lot of challenges are there because the building is in a very bad condition. And therefore, along with the Honorable MLA, we have decided to work together and provide them in a phase-wise manner new infrastructure, and I've promised that. So along with my CMSDF scheme, along with whatever support from the MLA, as well as from the SSA scheme, we will try and build up this infrastructure in a phase-wise manner at the earliest. Apart from that, of course, which I always have been doing, I believe that the students should be engaged in extracurricular activities. So we have also promised them some music instruments and sports equipments. Some of them I brought along with me this time, so I have handed over one small acoustic guitar, and I was so happy to see one of the youngsters, in spite of not having any access to any instruments, he still was able to pick up and play the different keys, and it's very encouraging, and I hope that I'll be able to give them more opportunities by providing them better equipments, music equipments in the future. But it is very nice to be here today. This is my first visit ever to this part of the constituency and this part of the state, and I can see that there are a lot of challenges. We may not be able to resolve everything in one go, but hopefully our visit will at least give some relief and we'll be able to do some